Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I got a brand new piano that I think is a lot better. And today I also have a new song that I came up with. Today I'm also going to teach you how to play it. So first we're going to do chords E and A. And we're going to repeat this multiple times, and then move one note down, another, and then we can just speed it up a little bit. And that's all for the left hand. Now we're going to move on to the right hand. We're going to do the same exact chord, E and A. And then instead of moving to F and B, because that doesn't sound good. So E and A, and then E and B, and then E and C, E and D, and then E and E. And then we can move it a little bit faster. And now it's time for us to play both hands at once. And you can also play around with it, I had made up a second part. And yeah, so feel free to play this at parties, anywhere, to impress anybody. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also, as you can see, I got some brand new 3D printed dragons for Christmas. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment what song I should learn next.